What's up YouTube? So today I'm going to do a quick Bitcoin update for you guys. So let's just jump right into the chart and take a look at the BTC USD chart on Bitstamp. Let's go. Alright guys, I hope you guys are having a fantastic, what day is it? Thursday? I hope you I hope you are all having a fantastic Thursday. Today I'm going to do just a very quick overview of Bitcoin. We are going to take a look at the weekly time frame to begin with. I'm doing this on Bitstamp as always, and sorry about that. That's actually my son. That's the baby monitor. He's supposed to be sleeping, so you know what? I'm just gonna turn off the baby monitor and hope for the best. All right, so this is a weekly time frame. I'm going to take a look at this clean chart here, where I have only one resistance area and the RLC on the chart here, and it's very clear why I like this level. It's the area between the 10k resistance up to 10.5k resistance. Very clear, right? Actually on this one it's 9,966 to 10,500, but it's close enough, right? And it's resistance right between the 618 Fibonacci and the 702 Fibonacci level, right inside the short RLC of this move right here. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I like to find the long RLC when going long. I want to find the short RLC when going short. So what I mean by that is we are at high time frame resistance right now, confident with the RLC. We are at the possible end of this weekly downtrend, and when Bitcoin is ranging on the weekly, I mean trending on the weekly, it usually trends pretty hard, and it trends for quite some time, right? So if we break the level, this 10.5k level to the upside, I am looking for a move like this, and a setup would look something like this, right? You enter on the retest of 10.5k, the stop loss below that area, which should be below the daily 21 EMA. Yes, exactly. The daily 21 EMA is right now just below the 618. So where do we have the moving average on the weekly? Let's see. So not really. So yeah, I like this area as a stop loss if that happened. I mean, obviously this is going to take a long time to materialize, so really, you know, do not enter this. What I like to see here is I want to see price move out of the short RLC, come back down, test this area for a move up to all-time highs. So I'm thinking we might get like a crazy pump like this. We get a, you know, fake out on the weekly, test this level before more continuation to the upside. So that's the high time frame analysis on Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. It's actually looking very bullish. We are seeing with this last pump here, we are seeing, and I should also add that not much have happened since my last update, honestly. This is just a quick update to get you guys into my mind when it comes to Bitcoin, right? Like to show you what I'm looking at, how I'm thinking on this chart, and what my next move will be, right? I want you guys to be able to follow me in my trading, and not only the good trades, but also the bad trades, because in the bad trades, you have a lot of lessons that if you learn from them, you will most likely come out of the mistakes as a better trader. All right, so let's continue. Daily is looking very bullish. We're seeing with this pump here, we're seeing a higher high, we're seeing higher lows, very strong bullish trend to the upside. We're, you know, really squeezing inside this range right here between the range EQ on the 4 hour and range high on the 4 hour. So I got this range, as you can see here, marked out on the 4 hour, range low here, range EQ here, and I gotta be quick now because I want this video to be less than 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to do all my Bitcoin analysis updates, these daily ones or the weekly ones, as quickly as possible. So below 10 minutes, because I want you guys to get all the necessary information in a very short and easy to understand concept a couple of times a week, right? So that's my goal with these videos. So I have to be as time efficient as possible and only talk about the important things like I'm not doing right now. So let's get back into the actual analysis. We are seeing the 21 EMA on the daily confluent with range EQ here. So with price being, with the daily 21 here, 21 EMA, adding this type of confluence to the range EQ, and with price kind of trading in a range between range EQ and range high, I kind of get the feeling that if we break range EQ to the downside, that's not going to be, I mean, when I drew this range for the first time, the 21 EMA on the daily was down here. So if we lost range EQ for a move down to range low, that would mean we were still above the 21 EMA on the daily, so not really a bearish move like we saw here, right? I wasn't really bearish with this move, not even with this one, but now that we have the daily 21 EMA here, if we lose the daily 21 EMA, especially if we get like a daily open and close above here, we are really going to have to see a strong bounce down here. And in a couple of days, the daily 55 EMA will most likely go up into this range low area here. And we really need to see a bounce here and reclaim the daily 21 EMA if we are ever, I mean not ever, but if we are going to break above 10K and quite possibly even 10.5K in the next couple of days or weeks. I do think that if we are going to break 10K and possibly 10.5K to the upside, it's going to happen in the next couple of days or weeks. I'm not saying buy Bitcoin, because buying now would be buying at high time frame resistance like I showed you guys on this chart, right? You do not buy here. Very, very bad idea. Especially not on, if you're looking for a move like this. Like if you're looking for this move, you do not buy a high time frame resistance, right? Because the trend is down, the weekly trend is down. Sure, the daily trend is super massively bullish, beautiful, but the weekly trend is down. We are at high time frame resistance. So for me personally, I'm not gonna do any crazy high time frame trades on Bitcoin unless we see a daily open and close above 10K. And remember, this break here, we never really reclaimed 10K on the daily. This was just a fake out. So the next move for me is to wait for this area to break to the upside, then possibly put in a long in this area with stops below this area for a move, take out 10.5K area. That's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is for me in a no trade zone. I repeat, Bitcoin is in a no trade zone for me. The price action is very, very choppy right here. It's very easy to get stopped out on a long or a short, and that's exactly what's supposed to be happening in a range like this, right? Right before a major move. So volatility is incoming, and it's going to happen possibly in the next couple of days or next week. But be careful, guys. If you're in altcoins, definitely have your stop loss orders in order. And with this, I want to say that Bitcoin right now, for me, is risk off, while altcoins are risk on. And I'm going to do another video, maybe tonight, today, or tomorrow, about how I'm viewing the altcoin market. So definitely, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. You will get notified. And you have to press that little bell, I think, to actually get notified. And I will do a new market update on altcoins and Forex. And altcoins are actually looking really, really good. Alright guys, so thanks for joining this one, and I'm going to get this one out as quickly as possible. See you guys in my next video. Take care.